All right, I'm about to test the Zep Microwave Miracle Foaming Cleanser. Wish me luck. This microwave is gross. Seems easy. It says coat the bottom of the microwave or the revolving tray. Microwave for 2 minutes and let it cool. Gonna take a look. All right. Now let's see how easy this is to wipe down. So far, so good. Ugh. I'm gonna go ahead and take the turntable out. So far, so good. It really does wipe easily. And I mean, this microwave hasn't been cleaned in about a month. It's the one thing I neglect to clean in the kitchen on a regular basis. Don't judge. All in all, I'd say the Zep Microwave Miracle is a miracle. I got my microwave looking brand new. I still can't get over how clean it is. Very excited. Good stuff.